Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to activate Secure2u on Maybank. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Activating Secure2u on Maybank is a two-step process. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Register for Secure2u via the MAE app. Download or launch the MAE app. If you have not already, download the MAE app from the App Store. Register for Secure2u. Under Quick Actions, Secure2u to register for Secure2u on your device. Follow the on-screen instructions. Tap Register Secure2u now and complete the registration process. Receive a push notification and SMS once your registration is successful. You will receive a push notification and SMS reminding you to activate Secure2u at a Maybank ATM within 30 days. Step 2. Activate Secure2u at a Maybank ATM. Visit a Maybank ATM. Bring your debit, credit, or charge card as stated on the MAE app. Insert your card and enter your PIN. At the ATM, insert your card key in your PIN. Select Secure2u activation. On the main menu, select Secure2u activation. Complete the activation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Wait for a minimum of 12 hours. There will be a minimum 12-hour activation period before you can use Secure2u approve transactions. So, if you are overseas and unable to access a Maybank ATM, you can contact Maybank Group Customer Care Hotline at the provided number. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.